Everyone. If you need a graduation album, if you have someone who's graduating, the Echo Park Collection Graduation is a fabulous one to use. I've made this before, and there is a tutorial, but I needed to make a couple for someone who's got some people graduating. They wanted them for Christmas, so I made these a little bit ago. But I finally finished the paper, so I wanted to show you what I made. It is an 8.5 by 6.5 album. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Yeah. Yes. I didn't want to tell you wrong. These were on the sticker sheets. I backed them on some black paper. This was one of the cut aparts, and graduation was from the sticker sheet, and so was that. So I just sort of pieced together a cover. I did not put a lot of photo mats in here. I put a couple, but I left it so you can print out whatever size photo. Now this you could put a 5x7 or a 4x6 photo. A 5x7 would cover the white, but that's okay. You could put a 4x6 photo there if it's portrait. You could put one there. You get the idea. Actually, this page goes like this. So this opens like that, room for journaling or a photo. And then here we have room for a photo and or journaling. This is a hidden pocket album. You could put a 5x7 photo on here or 4x6. These are all the same. They just have white paper. So I'm not going to show you all of those. This will open like that, and that'll open like that. Now, of course, you could use different paper. The thing I liked about this graduation is I loved the graphics of this. This is open, so you can stick something there. So lots of room. This is a great gift to give someone, and lots of room to put photos. I don't know if you know, but I did go to school for graphic design, and I think that's why I loved all of the... You can cover this with a photo. That's why I loved all of the graphics of this. It just was striking and very simple. I mean, the colors are simple. It's just this... They call this tan, but it really is a gold. And then the black, the white, and different shades of gray. This opens like that to put photos in. I put it in this way just so it doesn't get lost, but you could put it in that way. Another photo mat. Room to put pictures, journaling, whatever you want. And then a large envelope. Not an envelope. A large pocket with a flap, and here I put a lot of 4.5 by 6.5 places to put photos on, so if you wanted to back them on something on the book. And sort of a library style closure, the circle closure. I did put an eyelet here. I just felt like being different. There's the back, there's the spine, and there we are. So I've made 3 of these. So I had 3 collections. So I really have been going through my stash. But I did have other things. I did have some left over. And so I made something a little different. I have 2 of these. And they're 2 different kinds of closures. So let me show you this one first. So this is a cinch closure. Pocket. You could tuck you could tuck the graduation announcement. So my secret with that is photocopy it and shrink it. And then you can stick it in a pocket. This has a little spot. Room there to put a photo. I loved these stars. Room here for a photo. I backed it on black and then backed it on white. This opens like that. This is movable, but you still can put your photo there. Another pocket. Good job on that thing you did. Picture of the graduate and You can tuck whatever you want in there. So it's just a cute little thing you could stick in your pocket or give it to your mom. You could put a photo on here, you know. You don't need to keep that. But when I was making this, I actually made too many pages. Oops, these go. So I had to divide it and had to make a second cover and back. And I didn't have any more black cinch ribbon, so I did have this in my stash. I'll put the link in on where you can get this in the description box. So these are two 3-ring binders. They open. So you could actually make holes and put more pictures here. But it's about the same idea. It's not, the pages are not the same. These are all different. This is open, so you can add a photo there. And these are open too. Room to put a photo. That'll open. Great room for journaling. Great room to put your picture. And there is that thing you did. I had a bunch of those, so I was happy to cut another one apart. And did I have that somewhere else? No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, this actually is open. I meant to put something in that pocket, but again, you could cover that with a photo if you want. So there is that. So I used up all that. Aside from little pieces, I kept some little pieces and some stickers, just in case I need to make any graduation cards. You might see this again. I might make a real small one because I also had just a few, maybe 3 cut aparts that were 3x4s. So I might make one more thing, but you know, I was done with the graduation theme. But anyhow, wanted to show you that. Something else I used to bust through most of my stash of graduation. So I had leftovers from one when I did another one. And like I said, I had 3 collections of it and a couple of the blanks. So I got rid of all that was sitting in my drawer. So that's what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.